Good evening, my prepper posse. I had a surprise visit today from the electrician. Yay! So, it's wired in to the inverter and the breaker box. Dun, da, da. Can't even tell you how excited I am to have this. Yeah. Very excited. And that's just going up for the plugs that I have up top. I'll show you. Hold on. So this one is set in, and it's for the TV VCR or DVD VCR or whatever. And then on the other side will be my computer and whatever else I need. So that's just for now. Black cherry, it's in the bathroom. My daughter did this today for the toilet room, because we're getting a toilet together to put in here and finish up some of the woodwork and whatnot, obviously, but looks really nice. Very, very nice. It's a beautiful day today. They're about finished with that building. The last floor. Of course, we took a walk last night downtown to look. As much as they say that they've got waiting lists and whatnot in all these buildings and they're full, they're not. Here's an outside view of the shower and the ceiling. Alright folks, Saturday night. Yeah, it was busy today. There was hundreds and hundreds of protesters. Yeah, hundreds and hundreds. With signs and whatnot, and you could hear them screaming. I hope everybody's having a great night. I'll talk to you all again soon. Keep posting videos. Shout out to all my peeps. See you.